end of Mike's white label, and I am a customer, and these are various customers. So my customer account is Brian, I think. I would hope I named it Brian. Right there.
Yeah.
So when you have a user subscribe, you can charge them through here. You can manually assign them a database. So these are the databases that Mike has purchased on Advocate Data, and now he can reassign, sell these to other accounts. And the other thing you can do on this side is you can select the plan you want them on. And a new feature we just added too is you can change their list limit download. So if you don't want them to download more than a certain amount, like how we give you a list limit of 5,000, you now can control other users' list limits. And it's just more of a upcharge that you can figure out. So I am in.
Did you just grant people credits without charging them? Is that what you just did?
No, I changed the list limit.
Oh,
I made you see. So like,
putting yourself on a plan.
Yeah, so this is an override. This is the way you don't have to charge them, right? If you don't want to charge them money, and that's because people had issues with their Stripe and they were taking the payment through Zelle or something, I wanted to give the users the ability to add it.
Well, you just brought up a good point. Like I want to keep testing my sub account. So is there a way that I could just keep adding credits to myself? So like, look at the bottom there, Mike I started from 0. That's my test account. I have 25 left. Could I just add, I didn't even play with this, but could I just add 300 to myself right now without charging?
See that we just discovered. Hey, we just discovered magic.
You can. Very nice. That's awesome. I didn't know.
That's why we do these. So I want to get back to the main issue you were talking about first, and then we'll get right to Lloyd. This was a good question. So I wanted to get.
Yeah, I'm done. Thank you, Lloyd.
Sorry. Lloyd, Rodney, we got you in the queue. You guys are next. Who's just going to button this up? Yeah.
Success.
Yeah. So see, whenever I've been doing that, it says pending for minutes.
When was the last time you did it? Like I know over the last 3 days we were doubling the storage, so that's why it was going.
Yesterday morning was the last time I did.
So I'll give everybody just a fair warning. So there's been over the last couple of days, and maybe over the next few days, there might be a little bit of sort of bugginess or something that you notice. Give us a heads up if you experience any of that. We'll do our best to mitigate it, and hopefully you won't experience any of it. But we are basically preparing to roll to Dashboard 3, which is going to make this entire ecosystem, as we've shown you before in this Dashboard 3, a lot easier to navigate, use, and communicate. And it's grown based off of all the feedback we've gotten in these rooms. So, if there is some weird bugginess, a lot of times it's just because we're kind of preparing to do that. And, we're again, like I said, we're not a super VC backed company. We're bootstrapped. We invest everything you guys entrust us with right back in this platform and the ecosystem. And that's how, we're able to make it better and better and better. And sometimes that means stretching resources tight while we're, preparing and working out bugs and new deployments when we're still running the old system.
Yeah. And